What's up, people? So I'm in Deny, and today I'll be telling you how to make money the easiest way by modeling. Because I've been a model since 2021, and yeah, like there was this opportunity that came just last week ago. I'm still waiting for my I already did the casting, and I'm still waiting for a response. Usually takes up to 2 weeks and shit like that. So the rates are 19,000. Yes, I can make 19,000 from this. So you just have to find yourself an agency, and there are a lot of agencies out there. Just search modeling agency and you'll find one in your local area, and go do a photo shoot and then update your profile, shit like that. It's literally easy like that. You can get like multiple jobs from it and get more money if you're good at shit. But yeah, guys, you can expect to make tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands from doing this. These models like usually appear on TV or ads on YouTube, on these old social media sites, and these apps that you use on Play Store, shit like that, with Google AdSense, or you can find them on TV. You could appear on TV, and then you could be proud of that, and friends and family may see you on TV, shit like that. That's if you do your things right. You research these things. I just got a casting call, as I said, for 19k just like a week ago, and yeah, man, you can make a lot of money from this. Or the other alternative that you can apply and to become an actor. You can find yourself an acting agency. I don't know what it's called, but I didn't want to go that route because it requires much time. You need to take acting classes and shit like that. So for the casual person, I think you should go with modeling, because you just go there, whatever the shit is, with the uniform, whatever the clothes, you do the activity, done, that's it. You get your money, you move on, get another gig, you do the shit again and again, and you make money from acting. It requires acting classes, transport, all of these things every day. It's an everyday process. You end up quitting school if you're in school or shit like that. There is money in acting, but then it's not, I don't think it's worth it, because only a select few people make it out there, and you get to appear in, on TV and shit like that. And yeah, man, there's a lot of actors out there, but only a few people make it. So I suggest you do modeling agency, and yeah, man, I'll catch you in the next one. This is my first of many videos on how to make money, and yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this type of content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.